Hey folks, welcome back. Well, I tell you what, it's another Sunday evening and it's time for dinner. As usual, I'm just bringing you along for dinner, just like I do every week, and it's what we're having. I have had some comments lately and getting a lot of comments on the Chefman indoor grill that I have. And I haven't used it in a while, so I'm just gonna bring you along for a chicken sandwich that I'm putting together. And it's just some chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And we'll put that together, just a simple little sandwich, and hope you enjoy it. Let's get going, guys. Okay, as a safety measure, I'm adding a little water in here, which is normal for these smokeless grills. The water makes it smokeless, and not smokeless, but smokeless. But this thing is not even plugged in at this point, so be sure you, if you ignore all other safety measures, remember this one. This is not going to be a very long cook, so I'm just adding up to the first line here. And carefully slide it in place. Go ahead and put our grate on. Now we'll plug it in. Alright, let's get this thing on. You've heard me complain about not having any numbers on this thing. I'm going for about a not completely on high, but a medium high heat. Take about 5 minutes to heat up and give us time to prep our chicken. Okay, I got 4 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I've trimmed a fair amount of fat off, but I left some on because it's thighs and fat is flavor, right? Guys, I'm just only using some Lowry seasoning salt. As you can see by that green label, this does have less sodium because I'm trying to use less sodium. So that's where we're at. Alright, I love this stuff. I love this Lowry. I don't use it that much, but I do enjoy using it. It's gonna be perfect on these. That'll be plenty. Give them a flip and get the back side. Alright, let this come up to temp and we'll get her going. Let's see if we can't get these guys on here. Oh, hear that sizzle. That little guy down on the end. Alright. Alright, it's been about 4 or 5 minutes, and give these guys a flip. Looking good, looking good. No sticking, love it. Alright, we'll check back in a bit. You guys want to take a look at the underside? Look at there, looks good. Oh yeah. Looking good, guys. Because this is chicken, I do want to check temps. I'm looking for at least 175. A little short on the end there. I might flip them around. And I'm going to flip these around because we're almost there, but I'm going to go a little bit longer. We're close though. Alright, give these things a check. If this was breast, I would have already pulled it. Because they're thighs, I like to get a little bit higher. I'm hitting about 175. Yeah, we're done. Guys, let me pull this off. I will feed my family and I'll come back and I'll make my sandwich with you. Alright guys, just standard hamburger bun. Give the top and bottom just a little mayo. How we're going to handle this one. A little bit more mayo. In here with this beautiful chicken thigh right there. lettuce, iceberg lettuce. And just tomato, folks. Look at that. Only side tonight is just some potato salad I picked up at the deli. Let's get a bite of that. Alright guys, these sandwiches are always delicious. This happens to be what we're having for dinner tonight. And I needed a video, so I don't know if I've done one of these for you or not. So let's give this thing a taste. Oh, that's good. I love chicken thighs. I love them boneless. In the sandwich form, I love them by themselves. I love them battered. I like chicken thighs. Chewing with my mouth full. Talking with my mouth full. Guys, thank you. That is so good. That Lawry's is good on anything. You can't overdo it. I went with the less salt version this time because I kind of need less salt. But very flavorful. Always good on the chicken thighs. Guys, thank you as always. And guys, I don't know if next week I will have another video. I'll be celebrating my 20th wedding anniversary, so filming a cook is going to be the last thing on my mind, if you know what I mean. So guys, thank you. We'll see you probably in a couple weeks. God bless you, folks. Bye bye.